Even though we dropped a whole degree yesterday, still not much of a change. 78 was the high temperature here in Eugene. You still made it up to 80 degrees in Roseburg, seeing those mid-70s in Central Oregon, Portland, and the Gorge in the same boat. The only place that started to see that transition, at least this week, is the coast, where temperatures have dropped back down into the upper 50s. Now, the high of 78, that is 10 degrees above what is normal. When we finally get to normal, it's going to be a shock to the system. Our average high temperature for this time of year in Eugene, 68 degrees, and we're actually 5 degrees shy of another record yesterday. Record just 83, set back in 1943, so a long-standing record at that. We have yet to see a drop of rain in the month of October, and obviously we're not going to see one today either. Waking up to those crystal clear skies once again over the city. Head out to the outlying areas as you head further into East Springfield and then also into West Eugene, seeing some denser fog forming this morning, especially out near the airport where temperatures are in the mid-40s. So it is a cooler start, but the fog that's out there will burn off just like yesterday. It's going to be another warm afternoon. The only place seeing some cloud covers along the coast, it's that marine layer, which will also start to move back offshore into the afternoon, seeing those sunny skies and again dry conditions through the entire Pacific Northwest. We do have two storms that are developing in the Pacific, and that first one is actually going to move through western Washington as we head into this weekend. It's going to clip the northwest corner of the state, so a few scattered showers are possible for Portland, Salem, out near the north coast this weekend. Down south into Lane, Douglas, and Coos County, just some increased cloud cover, maybe a sprinkle or two. But what we're preparing for is this much larger storm, which is basically stalled out up near the Aleutians. It's left over from a dying typhoon that was over near Japan earlier this week, and that's eventually going to get here for the middle part of next week. That'll bring us back to normal. It's going to bring in much cooler weather with it through the weekend, and then we'll see that chances for rain starting Tuesday, continuing on Wednesday. Here's what the next 48 hours looks like. Again, morning fog, but otherwise afternoon sunshine. You see that cloud cover reforming along the coast as we head into early Friday morning. Back to sunny skies Friday afternoon. Great weather for high school football games Friday night. As we head into the weekend, again, some showers for the northwest corner of the state. Shouldn't see much though down south. The coast headed back to the mid-60s. Morning fog, partly sunny. Light winds out there for you today. Another very mild October day. For the Umpqua Basin, highs into the upper 70s and low 80s. Brief morning fog, otherwise sunny and mild through the afternoon. Sunny skies through the Cascades, all the way up to 67 degrees at Willamette Pass today. For those of you in Central Oregon, right back up into the low to mid 70s under those mostly sunny skies. It will be back down into the 30s for you tonight. And for the Willamette Valley, it's mid to upper 70s for us. Morning fog, afternoon sunshine, pretty much status quo. And then as we head into this weekend, just a few light isolated showers along the coast. You'll see dry conditions though on Sunday. Heavier rain moves in late Monday night. For the Umpqua Basin, moving from about 80 degrees all the way to the low 60s by the middle part of next week. Also seeing heavy rain on Tuesday and Wednesday. The Cascades will move from the 60s to the 40s. In fact, you should get some rain-snow mix at 5,000 feet Tuesday and Wednesday. And for the Willamette Valley, again, it's mid to upper 70s today. We're going to drop over 20 degrees from where we were earlier this week to the middle part of next week. That puts us in the low 60s with heavy rain Tuesday and Wednesday.
Wow, it's going to big changes on the way.
I think it'll be a shock.
Yeah, I think
it's
it
kind
will
of
be too,
drastic.
but it'll be kind of nice.
Yeah.